Topic number 8. Rights and Duties in Jurisprudence. Part B. 3 types of duties. Duties can be classified into 3 categories: moral duties, legal duties, and social duties. 1. Moral duties. Moral duties are obligations that individuals follow based on their conscience, ethics, or religious beliefs. Examples of moral duties. Duty to help others, assisting those in need, is a moral responsibility. Duty to tell the truth, honesty maintains trust in society. Legal references. Islamic teachings emphasize helping the poor and speaking the truth. Ethical theories. Immanuel Kant's moral philosophy emphasizes duty-based ethics. 2. Legal duties. Legal duties are obligations imposed by law. Failure to fulfill these duties results in penalties or legal consequences. Examples of legal duties. Duty to pay taxes. Citizens must contribute to state revenue. Duty to obey traffic laws. Following road rules ensures public safety. Legal references. Income Tax Ordinance, 2001. Pakistan requires individuals and businesses to pay taxes. Motor Vehicles Ordinance, 1965. Pakistan regulates traffic laws. 3. Social duties. Social duties arise from cultural norms and traditions. Although they are not legally enforceable, they promote harmony in communities. Examples of social duties. Duty to respect elders. Valuing wisdom and experience strengthens family bonds. Duty to care for children. Parents have a responsibility to provide for their children's well-being. Legal references. Article 35 of the Constitution of Pakistan, 1973, recognizes the duty to protect the family. Child Protection Act, 2010, Pakistan ensures children's rights and welfare. 4. Relationship between rights and duties. Rights and duties are 2 sides of the same coin. A right is a legal or moral entitlement that allows a person to act in a certain way or to be treated in a certain manner. A duty, on the other hand, is a legal or moral obligation that requires a person to act in a particular way or to refrain from certain actions. In legal and ethical systems, rights and duties are interconnected. Every right granted to a person imposes a duty on others to respect and uphold that right. This section will examine 2 key aspects of this relationship. 1. Correlative rights and duties. Rights and duties that complement and support each other. 2. Conflicts between rights and duties. Situations where a person's right comes into conflict with another person's or the state's duty. 1. Correlative rights and duties. Definition. Correlative rights and duties mean that if a person has a right, others have a corresponding duty to respect or uphold that right. This principle ensures social harmony and justice. Examples of correlative rights and duties. 1. Right to life and duty to protect life. Every individual has the right to life, and the state has the duty to protect it. Example: the government must enforce laws against murder and provide health care to prevent loss of life. Legal references. Article 6, International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, 1966. Every human being has the inherent right to life. Article 9, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973. No person shall be deprived of life or liberty save in accordance with law. 2. Right to freedom of speech and duty to use speech responsibly. People have the right to express their opinions, but they must not misuse this right to spread false information, incite violence, or harm others. Example: a person can criticize the government, but they cannot promote hate speech. Legal references. Article 19, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, 1948, protects freedom of speech. Article 19, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 allows free speech but with restrictions to maintain public order. Case law. Skenk v. United States, 1919, USA established that freedom of speech can be restricted if it creates a clear and present danger. 3. Right to property and duty to respect others' property. Every person has the right to own property, and others have a duty to respect and not violate this right. Example: theft, trespassing, and property damage violate a person's property rights. Legal references. Article 17, UDHR, 1948 recognizes the right to property. Article 23, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 grants citizens the right to acquire, hold, and dispose of property. Case law. M.C. Mehta v. Kamal Nath, 1997, India reinforced the government's duty to protect private and public property. 4. Right to education and duty to provide education. Children have a right to education, and the state has a duty to provide it. Example: public schools and government scholarships help fulfill this duty. Legal references. Article 26, UDHR, 1948 guarantees the right to education. Article 25, A Constitution of Pakistan, 1973, the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children aged 5 to 16 years. To conflict between rights and duties. Definition. A conflict between rights and duties occurs when exercising a right interferes with fulfilling a duty. These conflicts create legal and ethical dilemmas that require careful resolution. Examples of conflicts between rights and duties. 1. Right to freedom of speech versus duty to protect national security. People have the right to express their views, but the government has a duty to prevent speech that threatens national security. Example: a journalist may have the right to publish classified government information, but if it endangers national security, the government may restrict publication. Legal references. Article 19, ICCPR, 1966 allows free speech but permits restrictions for national security. Official Secrets Act, 1923, Pakistan criminalized the unauthorized disclosure of government information. Case law. New York Times Co. v. United States, 1971, USA. The court ruled that the press had the right to publish the Pentagon Papers despite government opposition. 2. Right to privacy versus duty to investigate crimes. People have the right to privacy, but law enforcement agencies have a duty to investigate and prevent crimes. Example: police may need to conduct surveillance on a suspect, but doing so may violate the suspect's privacy rights. Legal references. Article 12, UDHR, 1948 protects the right to privacy. Article 14, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 protects personal privacy. Case law. Katz v. United States, 1967, USA ruled that wiretapping without a warrant violates privacy rights. 3. Right to religious freedom versus duty to maintain public order. People have the right to practice their religion, but the state has a duty to ensure that religious practices do not disrupt public order. Example: a religious gathering should not block public roads or create safety hazards. Legal references. Article 18, ICCPR, 1966 recognizes religious freedom but allows limitations for public order. Article 20, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 guarantees freedom of religion within legal limits. Enforcement of rights and duties. For a society to function smoothly, it is essential that both rights and duties are effectively enforced. Without proper enforcement, individuals may violate the rights of others or neglect their responsibilities, leading to disorder and injustice. The enforcement of rights and duties occurs through three primary mechanisms. 1. Judicial enforcement, the role of courts in interpreting and upholding rights and duties. 2. Executive enforcement, the role of government authorities in implementing laws and ensuring compliance. 3. Social enforcement, the influence of societal norms, customs, and expectations in promoting responsible behavior. 1. Judicial enforcement. Definition. Judicial enforcement refers to the role of courts and the judiciary in interpreting laws, resolving disputes, and ensuring that rights and duties are upheld according to legal principles. Courts act as the protectors of fundamental rights and have the power to compel individuals, organizations, and even the government to fulfill their legal obligations. Role of courts in enforcing rights and duties. Courts play a crucial role in ensuring that individuals and institutions respect rights and perform their duties. They do this through 1. Judicial review. Courts review laws and government actions to ensure they do not violate fundamental rights. 2. Writ jurisdiction. Courts issue specific legal orders, writs, to enforce rights and obligations. 3. Legal remedies. Courts provide remedies such as compensation, injunctions, or criminal penalties when rights are violated. 4. Protection of constitutional rights. Courts interpret constitutional provisions to safeguard fundamental rights. Examples of judicial enforcement. 1. Protection of fundamental rights. Courts intervene when fundamental rights are violated, ensuring justice for individuals. Legal references. Article 184, 3, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 grants the Supreme Court the power to enforce fundamental rights. Article 32, Constitution of India, allows individuals to approach the Supreme Court for enforcement of rights. Case law. Brown v. Board of Education, 1954, USA. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that racial segregation in schools violated the right to equality. Shehla Zia v. Vapda, 1994, Pakistan. The Supreme Court ruled that environmental hazards violate the right to life under Article 9 of the Pakistani Constitution. 2. Issuance of writs to enforce duties. Courts issue writs to ensure that public officials and institutions fulfill their duties. Types of writs. Habeas corpus ensures protection from unlawful detention. Mandamus directs a government official to perform a duty. Certiorari reviews the legality of lower court decisions. Prohibition stops lower courts from exceeding their jurisdiction. Quo warranto questions the legality of a person's authority in a public office. Legal references. Article 199, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 empowers high courts to issue writs for enforcement of rights and duties. Article 226, Constitution of India, 1950 grants similar writ powers to Indian high courts. Case law. Government of Sindh v. M. Qs. M. 2017, Pakistan. The Supreme Court directed the government to fulfill its duty of maintaining law and order in Karachi. 2. Executive enforcement. Definition. Executive enforcement refers to the role of government agencies, law enforcement authorities, and administrative bodies in ensuring that laws are followed and duties are performed. The executive branch implements policies, investigates violations, and takes necessary actions to protect rights and maintain order. Role of executive authorities in enforcing rights and duties. 1. Law enforcement agencies, police and security forces prevent crimes and ensure public safety. 2. Regulatory authorities, government bodies regulate industries to protect consumer rights and environmental standards. 3. Public administration, government institutions provide essential services like healthcare, education, and welfare. Examples of executive enforcement: 1. Law enforcement and crime prevention. Example: the police have a duty to protect citizens' right to life and property by preventing crimes. Legal references: Police Order, 2002, Pakistan defines the responsibilities of the police in maintaining law and order. Criminal Procedure Code, 1898, Pakistan provides legal procedures for arrest, investigation, and trial. Case Law, Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, USA established that police must inform arrested individuals of their legal rights. 2. Regulatory authorities ensuring compliance with laws. Example: the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, enforces environmental laws to ensure industries do not harm public health. Legal references: Pakistan Environmental Protection Act, 1997, mandates environmental regulations for industries. Consumer Protection Act, 2019, Pakistan protects consumer rights and ensures fair trade practices. 3. Government programs to fulfill duties. Example: the government has a duty to provide free education and health care. Legal references: Article 25 of Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 guarantees free education for children. Article 38, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 directs the state to provide basic necessities to citizens. 3. Social enforcement. Definition: social enforcement refers to the role of society, cultural norms, and traditions in ensuring that people respect rights and fulfill their duties. While not legally binding, social expectations influence behavior and encourage responsible citizenship. Role of social norms in enforcing rights and duties. 1. Family and community influence. Families teach individuals about moral responsibilities. 2. Media and public awareness campaigns. News, films, and social media spread awareness about rights and duties. 3. Social movements and activism. Civil society organizations promote justice and accountability. Examples of social enforcement. 1. Social movements for rights protection. Example: the Hush Me Too movement raised awareness about women's rights and workplace harassment. Legal references: Protection Against Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, 2010, Pakistan provides legal safeguards against harassment. 2. Cultural and religious teachings on duties. Example: in many cultures, respecting elders is a moral duty, even though it is not a legal requirement. Legal references: Senior Citizens Welfare Act, 2021, Pakistan provides legal protection for elderly citizens. 3. Media's role in shaping public opinion. Example: television programs highlighting social injustices pressure authorities to act. Legal references: Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, PEMRA, Ordinance, 2002, regulates media content. 6. Conclusion. Rights and duties are fundamental to law and society, ensuring justice, order, and balance. Rights are entitlements granted by nature, law, or ethics, while duties are obligations individuals must fulfill to respect others' rights. These concepts are interdependent. Every right carries a corresponding duty. Rights can be classified as natural rights, inherent, like life and liberty, legal rights, granted by law, like voting and education, and moral rights, ethical entitlements, like freedom of speech. Duties are also categorized into moral duties, helping others, honesty, legal duties, paying taxes, obeying laws, and social duties, respecting elders, caring for family. The relationship between rights and duties is reciprocal. For example, the right to property imposes a duty on others not to steal, and the right to education requires the state to provide schooling. However, Conflicts arise when rights clash with duties, such as freedom of speech versus national security. Enforcement mechanisms include the judiciary, executive bodies, and social norms. Courts protect rights, governments enforce laws, and societal ethics ensure responsible behavior. Ultimately, rights empower individuals while duties maintain harmony, making both essential for legal and social order. Duties can be classified into three categories: moral duties, legal duties, and social duties. 1. Moral duties.